Hey guys, just want to show you what the 1 minute chart looked like for the signals. So we're on UJ right now, 28th of December, New York time. Start out at the start of the day. So yeah, this is Asian session about. So signal comes out when it breaks this horizontal line. So you got a little bit of retracement, then it pops up. So there's a good win there. Kind of choppy liquidity here, but it's a winner. Something similar over here. You got a little bit of liquidity down here to run into. So you get a winner there. This one you would have realized that it's a bad position, so you wouldn't have taken that. You're right on the line there. Moving on. Where are we about here? A little bit of liquidity to run into here, but not an ideal setup, so wouldn't have taken that. Plus you've got this consolidation there. Could have taken these, but I mean, consolidation, not an ideal setup. You can tell it's just kind of ranging downwards. This one here, it's got no liquidity here on the left, so you wouldn't have taken that. This one here, I mean, there's a little bit of something there, but it's just choppy, so you probably wouldn't have taken that. Same thing here, you wouldn't have taken that, but if you did, you did okay. Got a signal here going into these fair value gaps for the silver bullet hour. Got you some wins there. Couple more signals. No ideal setups right now. This is a little bit more ideal here. You got these two long liquidity lines. That's nice for this signal here. So that one's worth taking. You can tell it, propels, goes a lot better. These two signals here, just a lot of chop, nothing clean like these two candles. And that's the day. That's the 1 minute. Oh, sorry. No, we're not at the end of the day. We got the next silver bullet hour, right? Next signal comes out right when it crosses this horizontal line. Decent liquidity. You can see a good run up here. So that's a pretty awesome pull. And with all these, you usually have a pretty tight stop loss. I mean, 1 minute, you got to be pretty quick. So, I mean, you got to be at the computer. You got to have everything ready to go. Maybe you would have just had it halfway through this candle. So that's a 3.5 R. Maybe you held it longer. Maybe you didn't. This one here. Choppy liquidity. Choppiness here. So you wouldn't have taken that one. This one here, this has got a decent piece of liquidity, a little bit of chop. Not much room to run, but it turned into a winner. Oh, sorry, we're on the next day here. So yeah, that's 28 decent signals. Yeah. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.